Now welcome back to Primetime Sports. Friday. Athletics, of course, is where we run off as the men's and women's 100-metre final will bring the curtains down on today's second day of the J3A's National Senior Championships at the National Stadium. So we now join Keon Reyna, who is live at the National Stadium with this report. Keon.
Sharika Jackson, the Olympic 400 meters bronze medalist, sounded an ominous warning for the women's 100 meters final later tonight when she sped to a new lifetime best of 10.77 seconds to win semi-final one.
On the inside, Sharika Jackson has work to do. So do Brenna Williams. Brenna Williams step forward. So to Sharika Jackson, the 400 meter, 200 meter strength. Take her through the line, 10.80. Another personal best, a massive personal best for Sharika Jackson.
Of course, Sharika's time moving her to fourth all-time among Jamaican sprinters behind Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce, 10.63, Elaine Thompson-Era, 10.70, and Veronica Campbell-Brown, 10.76 seconds. She also moved up to join 13th on the all-time list of sprinters. And speaking of Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce and Elaine Thompson, they both also cruised into the final, almost stride for stride down the track.
Set position. They're sent away first time of asking. Natasha Morrison gets a good start. So too Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce. The Olympic champion Elaine Hera steps forward. Hera, Fraser-Pryce, they shut it down early. 10.83 the flash time.
Of course, the women's final is set for 8:30, a revised time. Now the final of the women's is set for 8:30. But on the men's side, we have Johan Blake running a season's best to qualify for the final as the fastest qualifier. And Julian Fort was the next winner in the second semi-final, 10.03 he sped to.
Level, set position. Top three sure to advance. A good start by Javon Minzy out of lane number 2. Work to do here for Nigel Ellis and also Julian Fort. Julian Fort steps forward now. Nigel Ellis goes with him. It's 10.07, not as fast as the first semi-final.
And of course, in the women's 400 meters, we had Genevieve Russell, the Commonwealth medalist. Well, she returned a season's best, 54.07 seconds to win.
As they go on the backstretch, has the advantage only slightly. Inside though, Cheyenne Salmon going well. So too Rhonda White. Rhonda White challenging Leah Nugent right there beside Genevieve Russell, who steps forward now and takes the ascendancy with about 150 meters to go. Genevieve Russell leads. Rhonda White trying to come back. Leah Nugent on the outside battling. 2 barriers to clear now in this women's 400-meter hurdles. The fight is really on now. On the inside, Cheyenne Salmon is finishing fast. Rhonda White tries to hold her off. Genevieve Russell has the advantage. Genevieve Russell with only the line between her and the national title, 54.11.
And of course, we had the 400 meter hurdles finals taking place here tonight. And Jail Hyde, a former world youth and world junior champion, well, guess what? He produced a season's best and career best, 48.18 to win the 400 meter hurdles.
Jail Hyde on the outside though, Troy White going well. Malik James King normally leaves it late. How late will he leave this one? Will he even factor? Jail Hyde in the middle of the pack. Starting to motor now. 2 barriers to clear. Kemar Mort on the outside is starting to close the gap. Inside though, looks to be Sean Rowe from GW Express. Jail Hyde battling. He has cleared the final barrier. He's going. Look at the clock. Look at.
Oh! 48-17.
And of course, that time by height ranks number 5 in the world this year. And also on the women's side, we moved to the 400 meters first round where Christopher Taylor, well, he won the second heat in a very fast time. Take a look.
Of Christopher Taylor here at the National Stadium, a track that he's so familiar with, and he has gone out cautiously here. Has Akane Slater on the outside, who is tracking as they go on to the backstretch. Looks easy. Anthony Cox on the inside. Devon Baker also going well, but Akane Slater and Christopher Taylor, those two doing the early running as they hit the 150 mark now. They will come into the straightaway. Christopher Taylor, the usual lean of the head as he chases Akane Slater, who is on his outside, comes into the straightaway with a slight advantage. Anthony Cox now ranging up on his inside towards his left. He steps away, starting to look around Christopher Taylor. Akane Slater in second place. Cox battling to come into second. Taylor shuts it down, comes across the line. 46.02, the flash time for Christopher Taylor.
So the winning time there for Christopher Taylor, 45.99. Still to come this evening, of course, the men's and women's 100 meters. The women's 100 meters final will go off at 8:30 and the men's will go off at 8:45. Reporting from the National Stadium, day 2 of the J3A's National Junior and Senior Championships, I'm Keon Rayner for TVJ Sports.